Actually,
we were doing complex numbers. Yes.
we were doing complex
I
numbers, right?
yes.
And in complex numbers, we saw how to find square root of a complex number, right? Okay,
Yes.
so let's do some examples on square root of a complex number and then proceed further. Have you saw that given homework questions?
Which one, sir? I don't remember.
Don't remember. These examples. This one I solved. This and this.
No, I did not. I will do it as soon. I know how to solve.
Okay. Uh, let's now go towards next question. Second question. Okay. See, second question. Solve the following quadratic equations. First, 8x square plus 2x plus 1. Solve for x. 8x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Right? So this is the quadratic equation. Okay. We know what are roots of quadratic equation. Compare this equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We get, with this comparison, we get a equals to 8, right? B equals to 2, c equals to 1. And delta b square minus 4ac, which is b square minus 4ac equals to 4 minus 32 minus 28, which is less than 0. Okay, thus we came to know the roots of this equation 1 are not real, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, now what is formula? Formula to find roots. X equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divide 2a. That is minus b plus or minus square root of minus 28 upon 2 into a. What is a? 8, right? So x is equals to minus 2 plus root minus 28 upon 16, or minus 2 minus root minus 28 upon 16. If we write this minus 28 in complex form, then it will become plus or minus plus square root of 28. 7 for the 28 now. Minus 1
Yes.
into 7 into 4 upon 16. The square root of 4, and here it will be minus 2 minus square root of minus 1 into 4 into 7 upon 16. So it will be what? Minus 2 plus or minus. Oh, plus, let's say plus only this square root of 4. 2 came outside, root 7 into square root of minus 1 upon 2 into 8, or here minus 2 minus 2 root 7 upon 8 into 2. Now this 2 is cancelled with numerator, then it becomes minus 1 plus root 7 upon 8, or minus 1 minus root 7 upon 8. So these are the two roots, values of x, which satisfies this equation. Okay, and these two roots are not real roots, they are complex conjugates of each other. See, here there is plus sign, then here there is minus sign. So these two roots are complex conjugates of each other. Understood?
Yes.
Write it down.
Are you recording this? I'll write it later.
Okay then.
We'll
I'm
solve more
recording.
questions, no then.
Yes, yes, yes. We'll write it. I will share you the recording and you just copy it later on.
Yes.
Next, tell me which question we should solve now.
That
Second,
x
third,
square
fourth.
minus 4x plus 13.
This one,
Yes.
x square minus 4x plus 13 equals to 0, right? So here, compare this equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 13. Okay, then delta b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. 16 minus 52, a minus 26 is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real numbers. Okay, and x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of delta upon 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 4. Okay, minus of minus 4 minus b plus or minus square root of minus root 26 minus 26 upon 2 into a. Okay, so it will be what? 4 plus or minus root 26 I upon 2, right? Therefore, x is equals to 4 plus root 26I upon 2, or 4 minus root 26I upon 2. So these are the roots of this equation.
Yes.
Okay. Next, here there is I. See, these examples are of next type, different type. See there, 4ix is there. So here also, these things are constant here. Coefficient is I. So here value of a will be 1. Sorry, I. Value of c will be 4I. As I is not variable, only x is the variable. This x square is variable. So when you treat this as a quadratic equation, you need to treat x as a variable and I as a number. A, B, and C. You need to count it in A, B, or C. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Go towards next question. See. This one. For this one, should we solve fourth? Ix square minus 4x minus 4x minus 4I equals to 0. Compare, we get a equals to I, b equals to minus 4, c equals to minus 4I. Okay, and delta equals to b square minus 4ac equals to b square minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c. So it will be 16 minus, and this minus, plus 4 into 4, 4 square, I into I square. So it is what? 16 minus 4 square, 16, right, equals to 0. So roots of this equation repeated. Roots of this equation are repeated. Let's find roots of this equation. Therefore, x equals to minus b, okay, minus of minus b minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 square. Yeah, that is we don't have to worry about it because it is 0 only, okay, upon 2a, 2 into I. How does root came negative? Negative, no, complex. So it is correct. It is minus minus plus 4 upon 2i. So x is plus 4 upon 2i. Okay. Now see this, 2 2 is 4. So it is 2 upon I. Okay. Multiply this by I upon I. So it becomes what? This 2i upon I square. So it is 2i upon minus 1. That is minus 2i. That is repeated root of this complex quadratic equation. What did we did? Nothing. We just followed the procedure to solve a quadratic equation. That's it. Do you have any doubt? Yes. Hello. Hello,
Yes,
sir. Am I audible to you?
yes, my headphones got disconnected.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay. Let's solve some more questions from question number 3 or question number 4. See now, things are getting complicated now. Here in this, all the coefficients are real numbers, but the roots turns out to be complex. Here, the coefficients are also now complex numbers, and few roots are complex numbers, few roots maybe I don't know, but they are complex numbers, but obviously. Okay, now here the coefficients are quite difficult levelचे coefficients याच्यामध्ये आहेत. See 18 plus I, 6 root 2i, etc. टाइपचे coefficients याच्यामध्ये आहेत. Constant terms आहे. 5 minus I, 5 minus I, 2 plus I, etc. टाइपचे coefficients याच्यामध्ये आहेत. Got it? So let's solve an example from this question. Yes, shall we proceed with this fourth question? Question number 4. Yes, or do I need to solve question from example from question number 3? What? Yes, please reply. What should we do? Hmm?
Yes, sir, you called.
What happened?
Did you call?
Yes, I am asking to you, shall we solve question example from question number 3 or from question number 4? Shall we go towards
Question
question
number
number?
4. It looks complicated a bit.
That's
Like
what
second,
I just
fourth,
you
second.
discussed. That's what I just have discussed. Okay, so let's take an example from question number 4.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Take an example from question number 4.
From 4.
Question number 4 from this one.
Second.
Second. Okay. 2x cubed minus 11x square. Let's go to go. It is cubic equation. Oh, from second, fourth, second. Okay. So this one we solve. X square minus 3 root 3 x square minus 3 root 3 plus 2i x plus 6 root 2i is equal to 0. Okay. So here compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 root 2a. It is 3 root 2 plus 2i, and c equals to 6 root 2i. Okay. Now this delta is b square minus 4ac, right? So it is b square minus 4ac minus 3 root 2 plus 2i bracket square minus 4ac. It is what? A plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus है ना, plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then this minus 6 4s are 24 root 2i minus 24 root 2i. This will be then minus 3 square 9, and this root 2 square 2, 9 to the 18 plus no plus, this minus will turn the sign into plus, minus will turn the sign plus into minus 1. Now this 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 root 2 I, 12 root 2 I. Then this root plus this 2 square 4 I square minus 24 root 2 I, right? Then this total thing will turn out to be 18, and this 4 I square is minus 1, so it is minus 4, 18 minus 4, and this minus 12 root 2 I minus 24 root 2 I. So it is minus taken common, 24 plus 12 root 2 I is also taken common. So it turns out to be 14 minus 12 plus 24, 36 root 2 I. 14 plus 36 root 2 I. This is what? delta is. Have you got this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you get this?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
this is a complex number. What do we need?
I
Yes, what you
we need real part.
what you just said?
Do we need the real part?
No, we need to consider this whole delta. Why should we consider only real
We'll
part of it?
consider the whole delta.
Whole delta, right? Now, in order to find out what? In order to find out this, uh, huh, solution x is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. Now, this root delta is what? Root delta is what? Square root of 14 minus 36 root 2I. Okay. Now it is a square root of a complex number. So we should find square root of this complex number 14 minus 36 root 2I, and then that square root is added and subtracted over here. Did you get this point? Why we have learned square roots, finding square roots of a complex number? Did you get this point?
Yes.
Okay. Let me open this one more time. Now here we find square root of a complex number, square root of 14 minus 36 root 2I. This square root we need to find first. 14 minus 36 root 2I. Okay. So let this square root be x plus iy, right? As usual, we proceed on squaring both sides. On squaring both of the sides, we get 14 minus 36 root 2I equals to x square minus y square plus 2xyi. On comparing real and imaginary parts on the both sides, comparing real and imaginary parts, we get 14 equals to x square minus y square as the equation 1, and minus 36 root 2 equals to 2xy. So this gives us what? 2 1s are 2, 2 18s are 36. Minus 18 root 2 equals to xy, and y equals to minus 18 root 2 upon x. Equation 2. Put this in equation 1. Put it in equation 1. Therefore, 14 equals to x square minus y square. Y square is 18 upon x root 2 and its square. So this will be, then this will be what? X square minus is 18 square. 18 square किती येतो? 18 square. What is square of 18? Yes. What happened? Sasra, hello. 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 Hello.